हामबाय आं दिनै पलिटिकल सिस्टेमनि जे कम्पालसारि MCQ आलोचना खायनाय अब जेकुनु कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम TCS TPS TPSC बा जेकुनु कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम अब बेलाय नांगौ मानि इम्पोर्टेंट सजेस्टेड क्वेश्चन नाइटंगि पुइला थेके पाइथक जरा राज्य सभा कैन delay the finance bill sent for its consideration by the Lok Sabha for a maximum period of 14 days. Awang kahangkai nini 14 days ni bising. Which one of the following is not a department in the Ministry of House Resource Development? Awang kahangkai nini Department of Women and Child Development. Who decide the office of profit? Who decide the office of profit? Abang hangkai by the president. By the president. Hangkai sorry. Who decide the office of profit? Office of profit hingga hangkai nini president and governor. President and governor. Okay, the controller and auditor general appointed by the president. He can be removed. He can be removed on address on both house of parliament. To be officially recognized by the Speaker of Lok Sabha as an opposition group, a part of coalition of parties must have at least 60 members officially recognized. Awan pore how many times has financial emergency been declared in India so far? Never. Okno mane kono somoy bo uniako. Which one of the following is the time limit for the ratification of emergency period by parliament? Parliament abangkai 1 month. Which one of the following motion can be Council of Minister in India can move? Which one of following motion can the Council of Minister in India can move? None of above. Which one of the following expenditure is not sourced on the consolidated fund of India? Consolidated fund of India. Awangka nini salary and allowance of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who among the following is constitution improved that declare a geographical area as a scheduled area? Nini our president. The vacancy of the office of the President of India must be filled up within abangkai nini 6 months ni bisingo makaina. Who has the right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court of India on any question of law? President. Which one of the following tax is levied and collected by the union but district between union and state? Tax on income other than agricultural income. Which of the following state can nominate 2 women member to the Legislative Assembly? Jammu and Kashmir. The electoral college for presidential election conference of all election member of Union Parliament and State Legislative Assembly. recommendation of the President of India on the specific union state fiscal relation are made by Nini Finance Commission. In which of the following house the chairperson is not the member of the house? Nini Rajya Sabha. Who among the following is not entitled to take part in the activities of the Lok Sabha? The Secretary of President of India. The Secretary of President of India. By which of the following can President of India be impeachment? The Parliament impeachment. By which of the following can the President of India be impeached? The Parliament. Which of the following subject lie in the concurrent list? Concurrent list education concurrent list. The state which allocation of seat in Lok Sabha is based on the 1971 census. Up to which year does this remain enact? The state-wise allocation of seat is Lok Sabha is based on the 1971 census. Up to which year does this remain enact? 2026. How many members are nominated by the President in Rajya Sabha? Nominated by the Rajya Sabha 12. Rajya Sabha 12. The Prime Minister of India is the head of central government. A bill present in Parliament become an act after dissolved every 5 years. As a non-member who can participate in the proceeding of either House of Parliament and Attorney General. Non-member can participate in the proceeding of either House of Parliament and Attorney General. In which house is the president officer not a member of that house? Rajya Sabha. It is the position of president and vice president are vacant who officiate as the president of India. The Chief Justice of India. Which one of the following statement about the Parliament of India is not correct? The member of the cabinet as restricts to the lower house. Voting right by the youth at the age of 18 years was exercised for the first time in the general election first time 18 year 1989 from 1989 থেকে Shankaria Commission was set up a revised the relation between union and state. The contingency fund of the state is operated by the governor of the state. The first speaker again woman mention of non-confidence was moved in the Lok Sabha was G.B. Mavalankar. Indian Parliament consists of President and vote the House. Money bill introduced in Lok Sabha. Who of the following President of India was associated with trade union movement? Union movement hingkai Bibigiri. Who of the following President of India was associated with trade union movement? Bibigiri. Bibigiri. State governor is appointed by President of India. The Parliament can legislate on a subject in the state list. If the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which of the following Lok Sabha. The Council of Ministers has to resign if non-confidence motion is passed by a majority of member of Lok Sabha. What is the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner of India? What is the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner of India? 6 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Guys, 41 jara naikha next video nai tongni political system ni MCQ na ang two part important above full part second part complete khene second part nai tongni hambai.